Hi class, we're going to take a look at problem 2, and in this case we're going to be looking at subtractions. Now, same as I said before, if you have a different way of doing them, that's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to use vertical form. So this will be 1416 minus the values of 18. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start subtracting in vertical form, but in this case for the first column it's not possible because 6 is smaller. So what we're going to do is the idea of borrowing. So this one is not going to be a 0, and now you have a 16. So you borrow 10 units. And 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So the first result will be 8. As we go to the next column, we're going to have to borrow again because we no longer have a 1 in this position. We have a 0 because of the borrowing. So this is going to become a 3, and this is now a 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And then as we go to the next one, 3 minus 0, there's technically zeros here, is equal to 3, and then the 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. So our main answer for this one is going to be 1398. Let's take a look at the second one. And same idea as the first problem, we're going to line them. So 1102 minus 124. And then we run through the same problem. As we try to borrow from the first column, it's not possible, but notice that there's a 0. So what we do here is we make this a 0, and this is now a 10. And then as you do the borrowing for the first column, well, you have to reduce it. This is now a 9. And this is now a 12. So as we do the subtraction, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Then 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And then we have to borrow again. Let me use this color. So this is now a 0, and this is a 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to a 9. So for this one, our answer is equal to 978. That's it for problem 2.